Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with the outlook for the weekend, December 26th and 27th, 2015. We're going to have some showers move in toward the end of the day here. We're going to keep it cloudy here on Saturday. Later in the afternoon and evening, we could have some showers move in to our coverage area here from west to east here, and you can see that here. Not a lot of shower activity, just some very light showers. Most of the activity stays up to our north here with the area of low pressure, but you see our coverage area here, not really much going on, just these light grays showing up here. So again, not a lot to speak of here, but the best chance for that would be in the evening and the overnight hours for that shower to occur, and the farther north if you go within our coverage area. Then I think Sunday starts off dry, and then we have a cold front that is going to push south, and you can see it right here, pushing south through our coverage area here. Cold front clearly delineated here on this map here. So this is going to move down to the south. High pressure is going to build in from the north here into southeastern Canada. This is going to be a very crucial player in our forecast here for Monday night and Tuesday, because all this here is waiting in the wings. This is looking at Sunday night overnight, and this front, as this sags off to the south, will allow the cold air to rush in. Now, we've been very warm lately, but this cold air is going to be in place, we think, Monday night ahead of this system coming in. This is a warm front in association with this area of low pressure. Now, what's going to end up happening here is this area right here is going to be below freezing in our central and northern areas as this precipitation works its way in. So this is the area above that line that we're concerned of having a little bit of some icing going on here on Monday night into Tuesday morning, but we do think it changes over to rain at some point. Here's the future simulated radar on the dam here, and this is looking at the overnight hours on Monday night, wee hours in the morning, right after midnight, and you can see all these purples here. This is on this particular model is indicating icing, so that's going to lift off to the north here with this warm front here, but that is going to allow for some sleet, freezing rain. I think that's mostly the precipitation type. I don't think we're talking about snow or much snow, except maybe very far northeastern Pennsylvania here, very far northern parts of northern PA might start off as snow, but I still think there the precipitation type primarily is going to be icing. And you see that moves into early Tuesday morning here. Still some icing going on here in northeastern PA, changing over from southwest to northeast here as this moves off the north here. And you can see finally by mid-morning here, maybe a few hanging on here in northeastern Pennsylvania, maybe Sussex County, New Jersey, but for the most part, everything's turning over to just plain rain at this point, and that does eventually do that by the time we get further into the morning here on Tuesday. So just have to watch out, looks like on Tuesday, just for in the morning hours for that icing until it changes over, and that's primarily northeastern PA, northwest New Jersey, and this will change over to rain and then push through. We're going to have another opportunity for some rain here on Wednesday night, it looks like, as another system comes in later Wednesday and Wednesday night, and that's going to push through again. That's going to bring behind that the coldest air of the season. You can see the temperatures dropping here below this. This is going to be a new change here. We're going to be more into a colder pattern, but it does look like it's going to cold and dry. Maybe a few clipper systems working in right around the 3rd or 4th, but we're not looking at much in the way of precipitation to accompany that cold into early January as it was originally thought. So we're going to have to watch that time frame. Some of the ensemble guide is still suggesting something might try to come up the coast here in early January here, but we'll keep an eye on it just in case. But right now, does not look like it. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for the weekend, December 26th and 27th, 2015. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.